Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
GPTVideos review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called GPTVideos. So this is the GPTVideos review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 10 minutes long. So we'll get back to the demo video later on. Coming back to the sales page, it says here introducing the world's first video creator powered by GPT-4 AI technology. Create pro quality videos in seconds for any type of business in any language. So these will be some slideshow videos with some text and images. So you will see all that on the sales page as well as in the demo video. These are those sample videos. So I will leave the link of the sales page below my YouTube video here. Click in the description and find that link which says grab a GPTVideos copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page where you can come and play these sample videos, because these are the kind of videos you will be able to create using this GPTVideos software. And you can use these videos maybe in your own projects or in your clients' projects. These could be marketing videos or materials. So go and check out all these sample videos on the sales page, and then there is the demo video on the sales page as well, but I will show you the demo video separately here. And let's get to the bottom to see if we have any frequently asked questions. So here they're saying you can become some freelancer with this, or if you are already a freelancer, you may want to go and get the software to create these videos, short videos. Okay, frequently asked questions. What is the purpose of this app? This app is a powerful tool for creating visually engaging and professional looking videos. Is there a support team? Yes. How easy is it to use? Very easy. What type of videos can I create? All kinds of, I guess. Can I use my own media? Yes. What resolution is supported? Best viewing experience on mobile devices. Optimized as per Instagram and TikTok. Is there a limit on the number of videos I can create? No. Will it work on Windows and Mac? It works on the browser. Can I add animation? Yes. Do I need tech skills? No. Right. Meet the creators. Okay, now the sales page is done. So yeah, this software is going to create some videos which will have some special effects, some text, some voiceover. But in case you want to make money with simple videos, simple as in my video which you're watching right now, in which you are not watching me. Okay, you are only listening to my voice and you're watching my laptop screen. So this is a simple basic video which I'm recording this review, and this video which you are watching now, my video, has made money for me already. So what I'm trying to say is that for making money you need skill, not some fancy things. So my simple basic video which you're watching, it has made me money. Whether you buy this GPT videos from me or not, this video has made some money because my YouTube channel is monetized. So if you check out this second link here in my video below, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is going to show you exactly what I am doing right now. In case you want to make these reviews on YouTube and make money online with normal videos without even coming on the camera, if you don't want to, then you can try Traffic Jarvis, because using Traffic Jarvis you will be able to monetize your YouTube channel. Monetize means you are watching these ads in my YouTube videos, right? These ads make me money, some money, whether you buy something from me or not. So let's say if you do not buy anything from me in this video, still I will not be on zero. I have made some money because you have seen those ads. Okay, so if you want to go and learn how to do everything exactly the way I do it on YouTube, then you can get Traffic Jarvis. And then here we have one link. It says make money on autopilot with Forex thingy. So this is what I'm talking about. It's like Forex trading. You buy currency and you sell currency, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. However, we do this with the help of a software. And if you want to know more, then watch the video till the end about these methods, because all these links which I have left in the description, they make me money. So if you try them, you can make money too, the real money. Okay. With the GPTVideos software, you will get the tool, but how do you use that tool to make money? That's entirely up to you. Okay, now let's talk about or show you the demo video. So here The demo video is like 10 minutes, okay? So I will not go and show you the 10 minutes long video, but I will leave the link of the demo video and then you can come and watch the video in your own time. So here it shows you 4 features mainly actually. Let me come back here again. And where's the dashboard? Here's the dashboard. Okay, so you can create videos from AI and then from a URL of a website directly, from a template, or from scratch. Okay, now to understand how these 4 features work, you'll have to watch this demo video till the end. So you will find the link of the demo video below my YouTube video, or let me see if I go halfway through on the sales page. So if I come here down below somewhere, you should find that. Here you go. Okay, so it's the same demo video which is available at 30% when you scroll the sales page. So what I will do is I will only leave the sales page link so that I don't have to leave this link separately. So come to the sales page and then click on this video, watch it for 10 minutes to understand how the software works, and then if you want this software you can go and buy. Okay, so we have some OTOs here as well. Let me see, where are they? So this is the front end. This will cost you, I guess, $37 commercial license, right? And then we have a front end 47 blah blah. How does it work? Okay, here we have OTO 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see if I can find more information about the OTOs or not. So where's the funnel here? Let's scroll down. This is the demo video again. These are the sample videos. So many sample videos on the JB page, right? And where's the funnel? I'm trying to find the funnel. There's the funnel. Okay. So here you have the front end in $37, and then you have OTO 1, which will be unlimited package, 47. Then web story package, 47. Then 47. So 5 OTOs in total. And when you buy the front end, you will be taken to the sales page of all these relevant OTOs. And then you can read all the features on that sales page, and then you can pick and choose. You can upgrade if you want to, otherwise you can just say no thanks and just go and access your front end software. So 37 is the minimum you have to spend, right? Anything else do we have here? No, it's a simple tool. It makes some kind of videos. Okay, those videos will be maybe some explainer videos, or you have so many templates on the sales page. Just go and check those sample videos and check this demo video for 10 minutes, and then you will understand what kind of videos you can make using the software. So do your homework before you buy. You will find all the links below the video, and you have seen the OTOs as well. Now here, let's talk about those people who want to make money only, because GPTVideos might be a good software, might be an okay software, might be a bad software, doesn't really matter, because if your end goal is only to make money, then GPTVideos is not going to help you. You can make money online using traffic only. For example, you want to make money with affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter if you make fancy videos or not. Again, the same example, I am not making any fancy video in this review, but if you go and buy this from me, I make money. So it's not necessary that you have to go fancy every time. Sometimes you might have to go fancy when you are doing some other business, where you have to showcase your products, such as makeup, cosmetics, or these e-com things, your clothes. So you need to have so much lighting in your store and flashy and everything. Okay, so it depends. But if you want to make money in the most simple and basic ways, then you could do maybe what I do, make these videos using YouTube, free traffic, or you can go and do this Forex thingy if you only know how to do it and with the right knowledge. So go and buy GPTVideos if you want this. If you want to make money online only, then watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are 2 videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those 2 videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those 2 videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those 2 videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those 2 videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits. Okay, when the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually. Okay, both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me. Okay, so choose whatever suits your situation. Okay, in the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.